Want to know how to change your password in word phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your wellphone.com website. The AngelList has been renamed into wellphone. So once that is done, and once you're under this interface, here on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile or your avatar right here. So you can just simply select that. So now once you've selected your avatar, you should be seeing settings right here. That should be right below cooking preferences. Just simply select that. So now once that's selected settings, you should be under general, and right below general on the left side you should be seeing password. So you can just simply select that. And now once you've selected password, here you should be seeing your current password right here. You can just simply type it, and then just simply type in your new passwords and then select save. Once that is done, you might be logged out from your device, or it should be logged out from any other device that you are logged into. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.